Hi, my dear students. Yes, how are you all? At last class, what all the chapters we have finished? Let's see now. Okay, here is the content page. Yes, first what we have learned? Samrachak Rekhaye. Next is Varnamala. पढ़ो, समझो और लिखो. पढ़ो, समझो और लिखो. वो है स्वर और व्यंजन means alphabet with words. We have learnt, right? We have did project work also on this. And स्वर और उनकी मात्राएं. स्वर और उनकी मात्राएं में क्या क्या पढ़े थे हम? अ से अमहा तक मात्राएं कैसे प्रयोग करने का व्यंजन के ऊपर वो देखे थे. और यहाँ पे देखो र की मात्राएं. रेफ पढ़े ना मात्रा है. र की मात्रा we have learnt on that. What all the words will come we have learnt, yes. And in matra also we learnt some words, 2-letter words like that all we learnt. In Varnamala अ टू क्षत्रज्ञ स्वर और व्यंजन उसकी कौन कौन सी विभागे हैं वो सभी हम पढ़े थे. यस, संयुक्ताक्षर में क्षत्रज्ञ. क्षत्रज्ञ कैसे होता है? क्षत्रज्ञ कैसे होता है और उसके शब्द कैसे प्रयोग होता है, कैसे उच्चारण होता है हम देखे थे. अब बारी है गिनती. गिनती मीन्स यू ऑल नो, आई थिंक सो. गिनती मीन्स नंबर. हाउ मेनी नंबर्स दे हैव गिवन? हाउ मच? ओनली 1 से 20 तक नंबर्स दिए गए हैं. 1 से 20 तक. चलो अब कैसे पढ़ने का और लिखने का देखेंगे नंबर्स. यस, दिस इज चैप्टर 7, लेयर 7. गिनती. गिनती मीन्स व्हाट? नंबर्स. They have written in English here, but they have to write in Hindi. 1 से 20 तक. कितना? 1 से 20 तक. To know, to identify for your all sake, they have written in English 1 to 20 numbers. Yes, understood? Ginati means numbers. Till where they have given? Only 1 to 20 for starting practice sake. Okay. Here in this column you can see this blue column that they have written digits means numbers in English. Yes, they have written in English for your identification. And here they have written numbers in Hindi, this orange column. Here in the pink column they have written numbers in words. What? Numbers in words. How to write numbers in words? They have written here. Okay. And here what they have given? Digits. Numbers they have written in Hindi. And here they have mentioned in English for your identification. Okay. Let's start now. 1. Ek. 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 2. Do. Do. 3. Teen. Teen. 4. 4. 4. 5. Punch. Punch. 6. 6. 6. 7. 7. 8. 8. 8. 8. 9. This is no. 9. In English, 9. 10 means 10. 10. 10. 10. Yes, here they have given in English, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is 10. Yes. See here. How could we write the numbers in Hindi? They have shown you here. They have shown you here how we have to write. And these all the numbers in words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, now let's see 11 to 20. Okay. 11, 11, 11 11 12 12 13 13 14 14 15 15 15 15 16 16 16 16 17 17 17 17 18 18 18 18 19 19 19 19 20 20 20 20. Yes, you can see here 11 to 20 also they have given in English, and this is Hindi numbers. How if you practice 1 to 10, then it will be very easy to write a forward numbers, means next numbers from 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91, 100 tak, means 100 tak you can write aram se, right? 1 to 10 you have to be perfect. After that it is very easy to write a normal numbers, but you have to practice this numbers in words. Okay, yes, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We will tell like this in English, right? Here how we will tell, let's see now. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18, 19, 20. Once again, yes, you can see here 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 19, 20. Yes, what are these all called in Hindi? Yes, these are all called ginati. Ginati means numbers in Hindi. Please practice this 1 to 20. Okay. A है गृहपाठ. Yes, homework worksheet. First main अंकों में लिखो. अंकों में लिखो means you have to write in numbers. 1, 1, and this is 1. We have to write like this in Hindi. Like this you have to write remaining 2. That is 7 and 11. You have to write in English also and in Hindi also. Okay, let's see now second main. Second main, शब्दों में लिखो. शब्दों में लिखो. 3, 3, 3, 5, 5, 5, 5, and this is 13. 13 means 13 you have to write in numbers, 5 also you write in numbers, and you have to write here 13 or 13. पढ़ो और लिखो, same as it is. पढ़ो और लिखो. 9, 9, 9. 14 and this is 14. 14 you have to write in numbers, and 14. And this is 17. 17 you have to write in Hindi, and here 17. Okay, 17. When you have to write in numbers in Hindi number, you have to write not in English. 15. What is this? 15. And here you have to write 15 in numbers. 15. Yes, 15. 19. You have to write Hindi number, and here 19. What you have to write? 19. In words you have to write here. In Hindi numbers you have to write here. Okay.